Number 1.
The Broil-Mate 24025 BMT liquid propane gas grill is a small yet powerful grilling solution. With its 25,000 BTU stainless steel burner system and a generous 390 square inches cooking surface, it's perfect for our needs as a two-person household. The assembly was relatively straightforward, although the instructions could benefit from some written guidance in addition to the pictures. We encountered an issue with the igniter initially, as the wire was broken in two places. However, the seller's exceptional customer service swiftly resolved the problem by sending us a new igniter after we provided the necessary details. Once the new igniter was installed, the grill worked flawlessly, and we are thoroughly satisfied with this purchase.
Number 2.
The Char-Broil Performance Series 4 burner gas grill is an impressive addition to any backyard grilling setup. Its robust construction with heavier grade metal exceeded my expectations, imparting durability and a premium feel. The assembly was a breeze, requiring only a Phillips head screwdriver. During the initial test run, it swiftly reached temperatures exceeding 600 degrees, demonstrating its powerful performance. The quality caster wheels make mobility effortless, and the cabinet door's self-aligning feature with secure magnets enhances convenience. Overall, this grill is a stellar purchase, and I couldn't be happier with its build, performance, and design, including the sleek LED illuminated control knobs. It's a fantastic addition to any grilling enthusiast's arsenal.
Number 3.
The Char-Broil Classic 282 burner gas grill is a reliable two-burner grill with 20,000 BTUs of heat and a spacious 280 square inch cooking surface, making it perfect for larger meals. Its porcelain-coated grates are both rust-resistant and easy to clean. The grill also features an 8,000 BTU side burner and a durable metal shelf for prep work. With two fixed and two 6-inch wheels, it offers portability and stability. The piezo ignition ensures fast and reliable startups, and the stainless steel burners are built to last. Plus, the porcelain-coated steel lid and firebox make it weather-resistant. Assembly may take some time and attention, but the end result is a great little grill that performs well and should last for years, just like previous Char-Broil grills.
Number 4.
The Char-Broil Classic 3B360 gas grill is a fantastic addition to any grilling enthusiast's arsenal. With 3 burners providing 30,000 BTUs of heat, it offers quick and precise control over cooking temperatures. Its spacious 360 square inch primary cooking surface, equipped with porcelain-coated grates, ensures rust resistance and easy cleanup. The side burner, at 8,000 BTUs, is perfect for preparing sides and sauces while grilling, and the metal side shelf adds valuable prep space. Portability and stability are achieved through 2 fixed and 2 6-inch wheels. The piezo ignition guarantees fast and reliable startups, and the inline stainless steel burners are built to last. The grill's porcelain-coated steel lid and firebox make it durable in various weather conditions. Assembly, while requiring attention, results in a sturdy grill that should withstand years of use, delivering deliciously charred food with even heat distribution. The only minor drawback is the lack of a cover for the side burner, which can be easily remedied for added convenience. Overall, this Char-Broil grill offers excellent value and performance for daily grilling needs.
Number 5.
The Royal Gourmet GA4402S stainless steel 4-burner grill is a solid addition to any outdoor cooking setup, offering an impressive 632 square inches of stainless steel cooking space. Its 3 tube burners deliver a total of 30,000 BTUs for versatile cooking, complemented by a powerful 14,000 BTU sear burner and a 10,000 BTU side burner for sizzling steaks and preparing side dishes. Stainless steel flame tamers ensure even heat distribution, while the durable cook box with an integrated temperature gauge adds convenience. The cabinet-style design helps organize the LP tank, and the push-in knobs feel sturdy and reliable. Assembly may take a bit of time, but once set up, this grill performs exceptionally well, cooking quickly and efficiently. The easy-to-clean stainless steel grates and slide-out trays make maintenance a breeze. Overall, it's a high-quality grill that promises great results and durability for outdoor cooking enthusiasts.